Ratchet. Shit. Yeah, I'm feeling some type of way though. I ain't gonna lie. I had a knife in my back when I wrote this shit. But in my mouth bad right now, so I look back and I'm mad at this shit. Let's get it.
When it came to you, I gave it my all. Had to switch my old ways up from being a dog. Had to come at you different, so I switched my approach. My niggas used to tell me that I was doing the most. Sometimes I second guessed it, most times I never cared. You never gave me a chance, and to me that wasn't fair. I was loyal to you, even though you wasn't my girl. I just wanted to make you happy and give you the world. Your style is unique and that attracted me the most. At first it was good, after that you went ghost. It's you that I'm missing, but your mood started switching. Now all I sense is distance, wonder why she acting different. Still keep it cool, no need to be bitter. Still rock with your brother, show love to your sister. Champagne for the pay, little lean for the thoughts. Ride through the hood with a boogie through the off. I wonder what changed, was it people in your ear? Was it my past, or was it your heart full of fear? She rocked with a nigga, now she switched up like gears. Rocked out for the summer, popping bottles, no beers. Had the club going crazy, no Meek and Nick. All them bitches in the club, but my eyes on one chick. I had the streets hating, but I guess I was mistaken. I didn't know I could treat you with a little appreciation. I gave it my all, from the summer to the fall. Now I'm sitting here looking stupid, thinking about it all. Edible arrangements, I never wanted no engagement. All I wanted was to vibe and a little entertainment. Thank you for the kisses, I appreciate the love, but now my heart feel like someone hit me with a slug. Who better for you than a boy? It all felt right, cause believe it or not, you brought joy to my life. I tried to be a different nigga, but I guess it didn't work. I guess it's my karma from all the girls that I hurt. Can't front it type hurt, cause I try to put you first. Now my heart's a dead spot, I should put it in a hearse. At least I tried, at least I played my part. Thinking about the times, wish I could play restart. Now a nigga cold-blooded with a frozen heart. It was too good to be true, I should've knew from the start. Damn, my son told me that too, man. I should've knew from the start, but I was trying to be a good nigga and a different nigga at the same time. I guess I gotta go back to ratchet mode. Nah, I ain't gonna let you be the cause of that. I'ma just stay in my bag and do what I do, and let you know how I really feel.